Meaning of glacial.
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 Glacial. The term glacial is an adjective that often describes something that moves or progresses very slowly, like a glacier. It can also be used to describe an icy or frosty nature, or anything that is extremely cold or unfeeling in manner. In a literal sense, it relates to glaciers or the processes related to them, and can refer to anything that relates to or resembles the ice formations found at high altitudes or latitudes. Overall, the word glacial is often used to describe something that is slow-moving, cold, unfeeling, or icy in nature.